Your bedroom is your sanctuary no matter its size. It's the one place where you can truly unwind, recharge, and express your personal style. Whether you have a spacious master suite or a compact city nook, you deserve a space that feels special. Even a small room can feel luxurious with the right choices. It's all about maximizing what you have and making every inch count so you never feel cramped or cluttered. The secret? Smart furniture and stunning lighting, multifunctional pieces, and clever storage solutions can make your room feel bigger and more organized, while beautiful lighting adds instant ambiance. We'll show you how to turn a simple bedroom into a high-end retreat, step by step. You'll see how small changes can make a huge impact. Minimalism is key. Keep only what you love and need. A clutter-free space not only looks better, but it also helps you relax and sleep better at night. Clever tech, especially lighting, will set the mood for any moment. From soft, warm glows for winding down to vibrant colors for energizing mornings, lighting transforms your space. Imagine changing your room's vibe with just a tap. Smart controls let you personalize your environment instantly, making your bedroom truly your own. We'll guide you step by step, from picking the perfect bed and arranging furniture, to setting up lighting and adding those finishing touches that make it feel luxurious. It's not about expensive items, but thoughtful design for comfort and style. You can achieve a high-end look on any budget by focusing on details and quality over quantity. Every piece will have a purpose. Every light will enhance the atmosphere. Layering lighting and arranging furniture with intention creates a harmonious, inviting space. With creativity and planning, any room can become a luxurious escape. No matter your starting point, you can create a space that feels both functional and indulgent. Let's break it down into easy steps and unlock your room's potential. We'll help you plan, organize, and execute your dream bedroom makeover. By the end, you'll have all the tools to create your dream space. You'll be amazed at how a few smart changes can completely transform your bedroom. Ready to transform your small bedroom into a luxury haven? Let's get started and make your dream space a reality. Modern luxury starts with clean, simple design. It's all about creating a space that feels uncluttered, fresh, and inviting from the moment you walk in. Every detail is intentional, and nothing feels out of place. Cool grays, crisp whites, and deep blacks set a calm, sophisticated tone. These colors work together to create a timeless look that never feels overwhelming, making your bedroom a true retreat. Minimalism keeps the space open and peaceful. By reducing clutter and focusing on essentials, you allow the room to breathe, making it feel larger and more relaxing. The real star? RGB lighting. Millions of colors at your fingertips. With just a tap, you can transform the entire mood of your room from cozy and warm to vibrant and energetic. LED strips along the ceiling and under furniture create atmosphere, not just brightness. They highlight architectural features and add a soft glow that feels both modern and magical. Control the lights with your phone or remote for instant mood changes. Whether you want to wind down or get energized, it's all at your fingertips, effortless and fun. Wake up to sunrise hues, relax with calming blues, or energize with vibrant purples. The possibilities are endless, letting you personalize your space for every moment of the day. RGB lighting adapts your room to your mood and needs. It's like having a personal lighting designer, always ready to set the perfect scene for work, rest, or play. Minimalist design plus dynamic lighting equals modern magic. This combination brings your bedroom to life, making it feel both stylish and uniquely yours. Clean lines keep things calm, while lighting adds depth and drama. The interplay between structure and illumination creates a space that's visually stunning and deeply comfortable. This balance makes your small bedroom feel both exciting and serene. It's a place where you can unwind, recharge, and feel inspired every single day. Technology and design work together for a truly special space. Smart features blend seamlessly with style, making your bedroom as functional as it is beautiful. Even in a small room, you can have a 5-star experience. With thoughtful design and innovative lighting, your bedroom becomes a luxurious escape you'll love coming home to. In small bedrooms, the bed often dominates the space, leaving little room for anything else. It can make the room feel cramped and limit your options for storage, work, or relaxation. Enter the modern 2-story bunk bed, sleek, black metal, and open in design. This isn't just a bed, it's a smart solution for maximizing every inch of your room. By going vertical, you instantly free up valuable floor space for work, play, or even a cozy reading nook. The open area beneath the bed can be customized to fit your lifestyle. The lower bunk is cozy and inviting, with plush bedding and soft pillows that make it perfect for relaxing after a long day or curling up with a good book. The top bunk transforms into a versatile loft, ideal for reading, hosting overnight guests, or even storing extra essentials in style. An integrated ladder keeps the look clean and minimalist, blending seamlessly with the modern aesthetic while making access easy and safe. RGB lighting under the top bunk creates a soothing glow below, adding ambiance and a touch of luxury to your space. Match the lighting to your mood or the room's vibe, whether you want a calming blue, energizing red, or a soft, warm white. This bunk bed is more than just furniture. It's a design centerpiece that elevates the entire room and draws the eye. Multifunctional, stylish, and space-saving, it's perfect for small rooms, apartments, or any space where you want to maximize comfort and utility. Smart furniture means you don't have to sacrifice style for practicality. You can have both, elegance and efficiency, in one piece. One piece, many uses, sleep, lounge, and light, all in one. It adapts to your needs, day or night. The bunk bed becomes the heart of your luxury haven, blending comfort, style, and smart design for the ultimate bedroom upgrade. Every modern bedroom needs a smart workspace. A floating shelf desk keeps the floor clear and the room open. Minimalist design, just enough space for your laptop and essentials. Hidden cables and a sleek monitor arm keep things tidy. An ergonomic chair tucks away neatly. RGB lighting under the desk adds a futuristic glow and reduces eye strain. Switch from crisp white for focus to calming colors for downtime. This workspace blends seamlessly with the room's modern vibe. Productivity meets style. No separate office needed. Efficient, elegant, and inspiring. Every luxury room needs a touch of glamour. A floating shelf becomes a chic dressing table near the wardrobe. A large, round, backlit mirror adds elegance and perfect lighting. The LED halo creates a stunning, hotel-inspired focal point. Keep the shelf tidy with a few beautiful accessories. Perfume tray. Keep the shelf tidy with a few beautiful accessories. Brush jar. Only display your favorites for a clean, minimalist look. A stylish stool tucks away when not in use. This setup is both functional and glamorous. The combination of floating shelf, round mirror, and LED lighting feels timeless. It's your personal corner for daily routines and a boost of style. Small details, big impact, luxury, made simple. No luxury haven is complete without smart storage. A minimalist wardrobe with push-to-open doors blends into the wall. Light colors make the room feel bigger and less crowded. Inside, organized rails, shelves, and drawers keep everything tidy. Good storage creates calm and order. True, hidden luxury. As night falls, RGB lights shift the room's mood from bright to relaxing. Customize the lighting for reading, relaxing, or romance. Your bedroom becomes an experience you control. Multifunctional furniture and minimal design maximize every inch. Dynamic lighting transforms the atmosphere for any mood. Smart design and technology turn any small bedroom into a personal luxury retreat.